First up, we have the iconic jack-o'-lantern. Start by carving out a pumpkin. Now, instead of a typical face, consider carving out a silhouette of a creepy tree or a witch on a broom. Once you're done carving, place a candle inside and behold your eerie masterpiece. Next, we have the haunted house diorama. Use an old shoebox as the base. Cut out shapes of haunted houses, trees, and tombstones from black construction paper. Glue them inside the shoebox to create a spooky scene. Add cotton wool for a foggy effect and finish it off with LED lights for a creepy glow. The third DIY idea involves making a ghost garland. For this, you will need white tissue paper, a marker, and string. Wrap the tissue paper around a small ball, tie it with a string to make a ghost shape, and draw a spooky face with the marker. Repeat this process and string all your little ghosts together to create a ghostly garland. Our fourth idea involves solar firefly lights. Now this one's a game changer. Wind these lights around your trees, shrubs, or porch railing. As the sun sets, these solar-powered lights will light up, creating a magical firefly-like effect in your yard. The fifth idea is the classic paper bat swarm. Cut out bat shapes from black construction paper. Stick them on your wall in a swarm-like pattern. This simple yet effective decoration will surely give your home a haunted feel. Moving on, we have the mason jar mummies. Wrap a mason jar with medical gauze, leaving a space for the eyes. Stick on googly eyes and place a candle inside. Your mummy lantern is ready to light up your Halloween night. The seventh idea is a DIY spider web. Use white yarn to create a web-like pattern on a hoop. Attach a few plastic spiders and hang it up for a spine-chilling effect. The eighth idea is a witch's broomstick door decoration. Tie a bunch of twigs together to make a broomstick, add a bow and hang it on your door for a witchy welcome. The ninth idea is a creepy candle holder. Paint a glass jar black, cut out a scary face, and place a candle inside. This spooky candle holder will surely give your guests the chills. Finally, we have the DIY tombstones. Use cardboard to make tombstone shapes, paint them gray, and write some spooky epitaphs. Place them in your yard for a mini graveyard scene. So there you have it, 10 DIY Halloween decor ideas that are sure to make your home the spookiest on the block. From jack-o'-lanterns and haunted house dioramas to ghost garlands and solar firefly lights, these ideas will help you create a hauntingly beautiful Halloween atmosphere. So go ahead and start crafting your Halloween masterpiece.